As the days grow shorter and the temperatures drop, it's time to start thinking about winterizing your in-ground pool. Properly winterizing your pool is crucial to protect it from the harsh winter elements, prevent damage, and ensure that it's ready for another season of enjoyment when the warmer months return. In this step-by-step video, we'll walk you through the process of winterizing your in-ground pool. Step 1. Gather all the supplies. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary supplies on hand. Here's a list of items you'll need. First, you'll need a pool cover. Preferably a winter cover designed for in-ground pools. Winterizing chemicals. This includes pool shock, algicide, and winterizing kit. Winterizing plugs, if applicable for your pool. Pool vacuum or pool cleaner. Water pump or submersible pump. You'll need a pool brush and net. Air compressor or shop vac. Winter pool equipment cover, for pumps and filters. Check the description below for more information regarding these items and where to purchase. Step 2. Perform a thorough pool cleaning. Remove any debris, leaves, or floating objects using a pool skimmer net. Next, use a pool vacuum or cleaner to scrub and vacuum the pool bottom to remove any remaining dirt and algae. Step 3. Adjust the water level. Lower the water level in the pool to just below the skimmer. This prevents the water from freezing and damaging the skimmer and associated plumbing. You can use a submersible pump to lower the water level to the desired level. Step 4. Balance the pool water. Test the water's chemical balance and adjust it as needed. Make sure the pH, alkalinity, and calcium hardness levels are within the recommended range. Shock the pool to raise the chlorine level and add a winterizing algicide to prevent algae growth during the winter months. Step 5. Clean and drain pool equipment. Clean and drain all pool equipment, such as the pump, filter, and heater. Disconnect hoses and drain them to prevent freezing and damage. Consider using a pool winterization kit in the skimmer to prevent any freeze damage. Step 6. Remove and store accessories. Take out all pool accessories like ladders, rails, and any removable fixtures. Clean and store them in a dry place to protect them from winter elements. Store pool toys and equipment properly as well. Step 7. Blow out the pool lines. To prevent any water in the pool plumbing from freezing and causing damage, use an air compressor or shop vac to blow out the water from the pool's plumbing lines. Step 8. Install winter plugs. After blowing out the lines, install winter plugs in the skimmer and return jets. Step 9. Be sure to securely cover the pool. Finally, cover the pool with a high-quality, properly sized pool cover. Ensure it is secure and snug to keep out debris and prevent the growth of algae. Step 10. Monitor and maintain. Throughout the winter, occasionally check your pool cover and pump out any accumulated water to prevent damage. Ensure the cover remains securely in place. Winterizing your in-ground pool is essential to protect your investment and ensure it's ready for a new season of swimming when the warmer weather returns. By following these step-by-step guidelines, you can safeguard your pool from the winter elements and make the reopening process in the spring much smoother. Proper winterization will extend the lifespan of your pool and equipment, so invest the time and effort now to enjoy your pool for years to come.